Hi, this is Jay with Infomama.com, and today I'm going to share with you some sneaky tactics to save you big money on your auto insurance. Now, the insurance companies, they're not necessarily going to tell us how to save money, which is why I've made this video. Rest assured, with this information, you're going to be able to save a whole bunch of money on your insurance. And it will be like almost putting cash back in your pockets. In this video, you're going to learn real tips that are guaranteed to save you money on your auto insurance. In addition, you're going to be able to actually apply some of those tips right away. Lastly, I'm going to share with you our recommended resource where you can get a fast, free quote right here online, safely and securely. So let's get started. Here's tip number 1. It's what I like to call increase, then drop. Increase your deductible. Now, your deductible is what you pay out of pockets. For example, if you were to have a car accident, then your deductible would be what you would pay up front to cover the cost of that collision. Now, I know that this may seem counterintuitive, but in the end, it can actually mean a 15 to 30% savings on your auto insurance. It's just simple math, folks. The higher your deductible, the less your premiums. For example, an increase from $200 to $500 could reduce your collision comprehensive coverage dramatically. But wait, there is more. Drop any collision comprehensive coverage for any older cars, and at the same time, drop any duplicate medical coverage. Here's the deal, folks. If you have an older car, then you may actually be paying more than the car is worth. Additionally, if you already have good health, life, and disability coverage, then just get the minimal personal injury coverage required by law. Applying these two strategies together can actually mean a substantial savings on your auto insurance. As well, any increase to your deductible can actually be offset by your dropping of any unnecessary coverage. Let's continue. Here's the second tactic. It's called stacking discounts or discount stacking. This is actually one of my favorite tactics for two reasons. Number 1, you never know what discount you can actually qualify for. Number 2, you could actually stack one discount on top of one another to maximize your savings on your auto insurance. For example, does your car have an airbag or automatic seatbelts? If so, you can qualify for an additional 30% off any personal injury and medical coverage on your auto insurance. Does your car also have an anti-theft system or an alarm system? If so, you may actually qualify for an additional 5% off. Or how about VIN etching? VIN etching is the permanent etching of the vehicle's ID number or VIN on all glass areas of a car or truck. The great thing about this is that not only can you do it yourself, but you can actually qualify for an additional 3 to 5% off your auto insurance. Does your car have an anti-lock braking system or an ABS system? If so, you can actually qualify for an additional 5% off. Are you a driver under the age of 25? Or are you the parent of a driver who is under the age of 25? If so, you can actually qualify for an additional 10% off. Safe driver discounts. Hey, have you been driving safely with absolutely no accidents for the last several years? Speak to your insurance company. You can actually qualify for extra discounts just for being a safe driver for an X amount of years. Group discounts. Do you currently have a home insurance policy or a life insurance policy with the same company? If so, you can actually qualify for additional discounts if you also insure your car or truck with that same company. All you have to do is ask. Does your car currently fall under the safe car category? Or has the make and model of your car recently been awarded any safety awards? Has J.D. Power and Associates recently named it Safest Car of the Year? If so, you can actually qualify for additional discounts just for your car being considered safe. Now, this last one here is a real doozy. You can actually qualify for additional discounts for not even driving your car. Yes, there are some insurance companies who will actually give you a discount if you use carpools or public transportation. Yes, weird, but true. Now remember, the key to this tactic is to keep on stacking the discounts. Stack on as many discounts as you actually qualify for. This will allow you to save as much as possible on your car insurance. Let's move on. Here's tactic number 3. Knowing before you buy. Now, before you go out and buy a new or used car, look into what your cost might be by getting a quote. Now, you can actually do that quickly and easily on the internet. And in a little while, I'll actually give you my own personal recommendation on where you can do that. Now, your car's premiums or payments are actually going to be based on several factors, including the car's sticker price, the repair costs, the likelihood of death, a safety record, and others. So knowing what you may pay for coverage beforehand can actually help you select a car that's right for you, and that's also cheap to insure at the same time. Now, this last tactic here always works, and it's simply to let the insurance companies fight to get your business. You see, you can actually save big by shopping around and letting the insurance companies fight to get your business. When you have competing companies fighting to get your business, that's actually going to help you get cheaper rates. And like the previous tip, you can actually do this quickly and easily right here on the internet. Now, here's the wrap up. To save on your insurance, remember to increase, then drop. Stack your discounts. Know before you buy, and let them fight over you. These tactics alone are guaranteed to lower your insurance cost up to 50% and maybe even more. So here's what to do next. You can go right now to our recommended resource and get your free auto insurance quote. It's fast, easy, and secure, and you can get that out of the way right now. After you get your free quote, we invite you to check out the rest of our videos right here on our YouTube channel. So go ahead and visit infomama.com/auto insurance quote for your free quote. Again, it's fast, easy, and secure, and it's the one we recommend. Thanks for watching.